How to add contacts on WhatsApp. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can add contacts on WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first method is really straightforward. You just, add contact on your mobile phone and it'll automatically show up on your WhatsApp. Now the other method is by doing it directly from WhatsApp. To do that, open up your WhatsApp. After you do that, tap on the plus icon on the top right. After you tap on it, there you'll see an option that says new contact. Tap on that. And now all you have to do is type in the number for that very person. Then write the new name, whatever you write, or write their name, their last name if you want to, and if you want to sync it to your phone or not. Then tap on the done button on the top right and you'll have added this person on your WhatsApp. And it's basically that simple guys, and that is all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. If you guys are new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more.